guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors. Thank you very much for coming to visit my channel today and watching a video. I appreciate it, and I'd like to welcome my friends, my subscribers, and the new subscribers that have come to my channel in the last couple of weeks. And I want to thank my friends for helping them find my channel. That is probably how it happened, so I appreciate that. You must have given me a shout out or something, so thank you. So today I have an unboxing from the Fansells company, and if you don't know Fansells, they are primarily a cross stitch and diamond painting company, but they have other things there on their site that you can take a look at, and I think you'll be impressed at the number of items you can find there. So one of the things I picked out is this silver foiling, and I've been playing around with this morning, and I probably have it on my hands and a couple other places. I think next time I'll wear gloves when I'm doing this, because it kind of stuck to my fingernails, but I don't think my fingernails were quite dry. So this is 6x6 sheets of silver foiling, and I believe they had it in copper. And if they had it in gold, I didn't see it, but these sheets are great to work with. I have used some other ones from Dollar Tree that are the flakes, and they're very tiny flakes in here. So those cost $1.25 a piece. This was only $1 on the site, so I thought I'd take something, and I watched a couple of videos. So some people were taking like half water and half glue on their paintbrush and painting it on, and then going back with a dry brush and brushing it off. So I had this little ice cream cutout here, so I wasn't very careful with it, but I used Mod Podge and painted along the outside of it, and I did get in the bottom, and I did get a little messy with this, but I think it's pretty dry. So what you do is take a dry brush and just brush off the excess of this. So I can see that my glue went in places it shouldn't and didn't go in places where it should, but I just wanted to do a quick demonstration and show you what it looks like when it's done. So people use this on furniture they're refinishing, and then they seal it, or picture frames, and of course you can use this in your paper crafting. So without knowing it, I think you could probably use this to jazz up your fingernails, because mine were still wet when I started playing with this. Either that or I got glue on them, and the flake stuck to the glue. Anyhow, that is my little demonstration for that. So the next thing I want to show you is the diamond painting tray that I got. And these come in yellow, pink, blue, purple, and green, I think. And they're around $6, which I think is a great price for these. This is magnetic, so your little stopper here has magnets in it, and it just goes right in here. A lot of times those get lost, and it really has a nice picture of a bow on it. The bow is in white, and it has magnets in all four of the corners, strong magnets, all four of the corners, and then all four of these corners. So it just goes on like that. So if you've ever bumped your tray while you were diamond painting, I'm sure I have very many times, or you have a pet that likes to climb up and see what you're doing when you're not around, check out your area. and walks on that. Anyway, you can keep your cover on there so nothing gets messed up. So what I want to do is put some drills in here and just show you how it works and see how good it works. So I just have some black drills that were left over. I see a little hitchhiker in here that's a different color. You get out of there. Oh, all right, just stay. All right, so what you do is just give your tray a little shimmy shake back and forth gently. And then all of your drills line up pretty well, I would say. Helps you to diamond paint a little bit faster. So when you are done working with that and you're on your way to bed, you just cover it up and nothing's going to happen to it. So let's see how they go back in your container. Let's take those off. And it's so staticky here today. And if you have a lot of static in your drills, just take a little square of dryer sheet and put it in there with your drills. That will calm them right down. So we're getting these all back in here. And you'll probably do better than I'm doing. They want to stay because of the static. And you can also take your dryer sheet and rub it on your tray too. That will help a lot. Alright, I love this. And I did choose yellow because it shows up your drills better. If they had white, I probably would have chose a white one instead. So where do you see the next thing I have here? It's pretty cool. So there was a couple of things that I wanted. Look at this. That I wanted that the first one I think was out of stock and the second one had been discontinued. So he said, why don't I send you something that's really new to our website and you can check it out. So he sent me a picture of a guitar and I said, oh, that's cool. I can diamond paint that and I'll hang it up where Paul has his real guitar. So I was so shocked when I opened this box and there was an actual guitar in here. An actual little guitar. So I'm going to take everything out of the box here so I can show it to you better. Yeah, this is pretty fun. So here is our actual little guitar. Tiptoe through the tulips. Da, 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 da. So if you know that song, you're as old as I am. And if you don't know it, that's good for you. So anyway, you would peel back the plastic that they have on top of here. And then place your rhinestones where that is really nice and sticky. And place your rhinestones according to the numbers on the bags here. So I'll bring it up so you can see the numbers. And it does have an actual heart pick that's attached here. This just cracks me up. And they sent a little song booklet, some songs you can learn. I think I'm going to try it. Little Star, Bee Work, Mary Had a Little Lamb. And on the back here, where the chords are in the key of C. And you can scan that QR code and get a demonstration. So let me show you the tray and pen and wax that comes with it. And if you've never diamond painted before, you take your pen and put it in this wax here. This does have a plastic covering on here that you have to remove. And fill your little barrel there up with wax, and then take them from your tray and put them on here where they go. All right. So let's take a look at these beautiful rhinestones, and I will show you the numbers on the bags. So that's number 1, 2, 3. You don't have to pay any attention down here to this. It's just a stock number. If you wanted to write on here that this is for your guitar, if you store your guitar and your drills in a separate place, you'll know that these drills go to that guitar. All right, so we have some clear ones here, some red ones, pink ones, another pink, a yellow, a green, a darker green, blue, a darker blue, orange, and purple. So this really has every color of the rainbow here, and there is an actual rainbow on the guitar that's coming this way, and then you have all these beautiful tropical flowers on here, and there is a butterfly right here. And so I wanted to know if I could fit my pen in here to get to these numbers, and it looks like I won't have any problem doing that. It fits right in there, and you can gently move these strings back and forth. So I just love this. It's so fun. All right, so we looked at our drills. We looked at our beautiful bow diamond painting tray and our silver foiling. And I want to thank Fansells for sending me these products so I can show them to you, and you can see what Fansells has to offer in the way of crafts. And I'll see you next time with something new. So thanks for watching. Bye.